Arsenal 4. PSV 0. Comfortable night's work for the Arsenal. Under the lights, at the carpet, Champions League music. Ooh, the champions. Oh, goosebumps. As Martin Odegaard mutters under his breath with his eyes closed. North London forever. Now he's muttering, the champions. Do. Hey, big up to everyone inside, man. The watch along was sick. Big up to everyone who tuned in. Big up to everyone who's watching this. Make sure you are liking the video. Make sure you check out Kenny Clen's fan cam. He's at the ground. Make sure you check out Jez. Make sure you check out Matty. Big up to him on the watch along. Make sure you check out player ratings with me and Jez. Tomorrow, I am live, 1 p.m. UK time. As it stands, I think it's only Flawless it's on. Northside's kissing dolphins. And I think Saeed's probably licking his wounds over in Munich. So it is what it is. But anyway, make sure you also follow Lee Reacts. Follow that channel as well. And I'll have some more content coming out on there this week. Saturday, I'll be doing a City watch-along, I think. Potentially a Europa League watch-along tomorrow. Haven't decided yet, but we'll see how that goes. But anyway, let's stop waffling. We was on the Heinekens, but I'm saving them for the beach day tomorrow. So we're back on the Suaves. But Heineken, maybe I should drink it every Champions League night, if that's the performance levels we put in. Cheers, guys. Lovely jubbly. Bukayo Saka. Took him 8 minutes to score his first Champions League goal. I've seen the stats doing the rounds. It took Messi 5 games. It took Cristiano Ronaldo 27 games. Now, let's not get this twisted. I am not putting him in that bracket. I'm just giving you the stats because I know a lot of you are mathematicians, statisticians, got the calculators out, got the pie charts out, the compasses out, spreadsheets and all of that. But it is what it is. Listen, big up to Bukayo Saka. Sick. Yeah, sick. He scuffed it. But you know what? I think if he had actually hit that perfectly, he probably wouldn't have scored. It's one of them where he kind of kicks it into the ground and it went in. And who cares? Yeah, who cares? Martin Odegaard's shot was parried. That goalkeeper, by the way, yeah, couldn't catch a cold. Yeah, he parried everything. What's the matter with their goalkeeper? Anyway, who cares? We scored. My baller. You all laughed at me. Well, I must say, you're not laughing now, are you? Trossardinho. Trossardinho, baby. My baller. The best player we have at this football club is Trossard. Said it before, say it again. And people get hyped because they fancy other players more than this guy, like in terms of performances, not looks. Well, actually, sometimes a little bit looks, like zesty and all of that. Do you know what I'm saying? Saka, Martinelli, Odegaard, Declan Rice is the new one, Saliba, Ben White. Yeah, all of these players. Yeah, but that is our baller. That is our best player. That finish on his right foot after the finish at the weekend on his left foot. Following the finish for Belgium on international break 3 days earlier from the weekend, so a week ago, where he slalomed round 2 or 3, Lionel Messi-esque banger with his right. What foot's his favoured foot? I'm baffed. Because he's good with his right, he's good with his left. And more than good. This guy is absolutely sick. Absolutely sick. And then he gets the ball down the wing. 99.99% of players on the wing would have just whipped that aimless ball across the box. Oh, look, I crossed it. No. Not my baller. Not my baller. My baller gets the ball down, controls it, waits for the red arrows to arrive, and picks out the most perfect pass to Gabby Jesus, who took the most perfect first touch and then the most perfect finish. What a goal. What a goal. And like I've just said, 99% of wingers would have just fired that ball straight across the box because he had the run on the defender, on the left back. Is it Des Soji? He's rubbish, that guy. Yeah, absolutely rubbish. I don't know how he's still playing football. But anyway, most players would have whipped that across the box. But my baller didn't. He said, no, because that could be caught by the keeper. He could parry it. Could be cleared by defenders. Let's wait for the others to arrive. I'm cool on the ball. I'm good with it. I'm here. Take me out. Oh, you can't. So I'm going to whip it in. Perfect pass. Perfect goal. What a finish. Then we see Martin Odegaard's goal. Champions League guard. I think that's his first Champions League goal as well, isn't it? Is that his first Champions League goal? I don't think he scored for Madrid in the Champions League. Maybe I'm wrong. Leave it in the comments. I think he only played a handful of games, 2 games, 3 games, maybe in the Champions League over his career. So maybe that's his first Champions League goal. I thought he was quality tonight. Yeah, my baller is getting man of the match. I actually don't know who got man of the match. Who did TNT give man of the match to? Leave it in the comments. Because Saka, Jesus, and Trossard, that game was over real quick. Real quick. But Odegaard played the 90. So I could kind of understand if they gave it to him. But that was the complete performance. And we did it with 10 men. We did it with 10 men because Kai Havertz, oh dearie me. Yeah, Kai Havertz, have a shot every time I say he's a donkey, or every time I just, this guy, he triggers me. So that's all the nice stuff out of the way. Now let's get on to this guy. For all the Kai Havertz stands out there that are pretending to be Kai Havertz stands, if Arteta wants him, I want him. Cool. You're lying. You're lying. You don't rate the player. You rate the manager that picked the player. But you don't rate the player. But you're hoping that the manager makes the player become good. Let me tell you right now. You don't care. 007 settings. 7 games, 0 goals, 0 assists. And tonight was, for me, and all you people that are going to come at me in the comments, oh, you're so negative. We won the game 4-0. Fantastic performance. I've said that. Fantastic performance. Saliba, Ben White. Yeah. All of them, apart from this guy, was superb. Even the subs when they came on. Reece played well when he came on. Yeah. Smith Rowe, he's alive. But let me tell you right now, this Kai Havertz, go back and watch that game. But don't watch the ball. Watch Kai Havertz. Don't watch any of the other play. Just sit and watch Kai Havertz. Because I'm being told, and millions of other Arsenal fans that don't rate this guy are being told his off-the-ball work is amazing. These people are making up new stats. Yeah, PADJ adjusted stats and all of this rubbish. Possession stats. PADJ recoveries. How about use these, mate? How about use these? They're eyes. Yeah, my eyes don't fail, mate. My eyes don't fail. This is a Cerveza. This is an iPhone. Yeah, these are cigarillos. Yeah, come on. It's mad. I don't get it. Go back and watch Kai Havertz. Because when you're watching the game, most people just follow the ball. They don't watch what other players are doing without the ball. Everyone keeps telling me that this guy's great. Yeah, his OOP stats. I don't even know what all these... Who's making these up? Oh. Yes, my bad. The people that are so desperate for this guy to make it. And listen, hopefully he does make it. But I live in reality, not Disneyland. Yeah, not Fantasyland. This guy, that performance tonight was one of the worst I've seen at Arsenal for a long time. Just go back, before you all start giving it the big one in my comments, just go back and watch him. Even if he's out of shot, just wait for him to come back in shot because you know where he'll be and he'll come back in. Just jogging. Just jogging. Then, without the ball, just jogging. Then what he'll do is he'll run in between 2 players. So now he can't receive the ball. We're in possession. You're now running between, in your own half, there's 2 players for them standing in their half, and he runs between them both. No, pull back from them both, and the ball can be fizzed through them because they were 10 yards apart. And now you turn and you're on the break, and now boom. Instead, he runs towards them and stands in between them. Now they're not getting, then we're not going to give you the ball there, are we, mate? Because now, if that's a turnover, a play, we're now on the back foot. So Saliba can't give you the ball there, can he? Now watch him when they're attacking down our wings. and he's in the box or on the edge of our box, the D and all of that. Not once does he look over his shoulders. How many times did I see tonight geezers running off, running straight, but he didn't even know they were there. Now, just do it and come back. Yeah, comment all you like, but just go and watch that 90 minutes again, the full 90, and don't watch the ball or any other players. Just watch him. Yeah, that was shocking. Oh, but he brought the ball down and it was Bergkamp-esque. Shut up. Yeah, this guy is not very good. Yeah, and I'll tell you something, the only way that guy stayed on, and I'm hoping and praying this is true, is because he ain't playing Sunday. Because if he plays Sunday, good luck with that, mate. Because the rest of that team tonight was superb. Yeah, that was the near perfect performance. Near perfect. The only thing that would have made it more and made it up there as perfect would have been if he actually played great as well. But he didn't. So it is what it is. But listen, 4-0 back in the Champions League. Big up to Mikel Arteta. Big up to the front line. Big up to the rest of the team. But him, nah, mate. Yeah. Oh, you got an agenda. No, I've got eyes. I've got eyes. Oh, but he'll come good. Look at Fabio Vieira. Really? Mate, what, a couple of goals or assists or an assist, couple of assists wins a penalty. What is that? How easy you lot are pleased? This is why we've been 7 years without Champions League. That's why we don't win anything. Yeah, come on, raise the bar. Fantastic. We need to win 6 out of 6 in this group. I said it when we got it. Fingers crossed we do, but that was emphatic tonight. Yeah, only Barcelona scored more goals than us in this round of games, and they won 5-0. So, yeah, big up for the performance, man. Listen, we could have had 7 or 8 tonight. Yeah, if we were a bit more clinical. Yeah, but it's what it is. Clean sheet, David Raya, again, commanding his box. Yeah, again, telling players, put it here. Let me put it on this foot. You run over here. Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic performance tonight. So, yeah, big up. But, yeah, the one bad thing is that guy, man. And we're going to die on that hill, unfortunately. But, listen, sub to the channel. Kenny Ken's up next outside the ground. We're out of here. Adios, amigos. Ciao.